So we are 1 week in on this trim project in Osterville. If you remember last week, we were starting, there was a pile of casing in 1x8 flat stock there. And then this was loaded up with window parts and some other material. So we have got in all of our doors. All of our cased openings are in. We are going through trimming all of the doors right now. There's other guys that are on windows. So a good amount of the windows are trimmed. We went through and installed baseboard everywhere that we could. So as soon as the casing goes on, I have guys come in behind to do baseboard. So in this house, there's just two guys that have just been running baseboard all week. So we finished this room 100% so the homeowners could see everything. So here, there's gonna be wallpaper on these walls. So the builder wanted us to level the crown. So the room is out the ceiling's out about 5/8 of an inch. So this is it's a remodel. So we went around and leveled the crown so that's nice and straight. So we'll have straight lines for the wallpaper. And then we cased the windows and doors and install the baseboard just so the homeowners could see what the finished product would be. And then back there, we did the rest of the doors. There's a few windows back there. And then they took some of the base cap upstairs to start running base cap upstairs. You see the windows are done in this room. They're starting to run baseboard in here. Now that the windows or the doors are trimmed. We have the coat master out. So I'm gonna set up a miter saw station here. They're gonna start running crown next week. So I'm gonna set up a miter saw station here. So we'll miter the crown and then go right into the coat master so we can have a nice systematic approach there. We'll go upstairs. The stair parts are in, so I'll probably have somebody start the stairs next Saturday when there's less people on the job site. I try to not have people take the stairs out when there's people working. So here, all the doors are in. Those were all set to a laser, so everything is nice and straight. The builder got us lighting. So a lot of the rooms have lights. So it's nice to work in. All the doors are in up here. All the extension jambs are in for the window. All the windows, everything is shot with a laser, so everything will be nice and straight. This is gonna get wall paneling, so there's no base cap in here. This room is done. Closets, all with the 1x8 base cap with 2 1/8 base cap. Here, all the windows, all have extension jambs. We're gonna start this room next week. So we're gonna plywood the ceilings, and then there's a 1x8 nickel gap that's gonna go up. And then there's gonna be this crown detail. So it's that 6-inch crown with a 5/4 cap that lighting is gonna go in, I believe. And that's gonna go across this doorway as well. So that's gonna wrap all the way around. The gym area, all of the doors and everything are trimmed back there. We're doing these scuttles for the attic access everywhere where there's a scuttle, and then we'll do it just a standard door on cabinet hinges. This room is gonna get 1x nickel gap on the walls. So we're gonna end up leveling all the baseboard and everything in here. So we have a level surface to go to work off of. Anywhere where we have paneling, I always try to level the baseboard just so we have a level base to work off of. So again, all the doors are in. I think it was 45 doors. There's about 70 or so doors or cased openings, and then another I think it's 10 scuttles or attic accesses. So that's what we're working on now. So next week we're gonna finish up all the window casings, start running crown. We're gonna start that ceiling on the second floor. The stairs will start next Saturday, and then we're gonna start running crown. So we're good to go this week. Our casing is nice and organized. Our job site is nice and organized. So we're ready to have a nice productive week next week. So this is going into the week 2 on the job. It's the second week of January. So we're ready to go.